Did your home sit on the market without selling? I know that can be frustrating, but don't lose hope. If your home didn't sell the first time, there are 3 key reasons that could have made all the difference. Reason number 1, professional pictures. Over 95% of buyers start their home search online, and if the photos don't grab their attention, they move on. I invest in high-quality professional photos and video marketing to make sure your home stands out from the competition. Reason number 2, ease of showings. If buyers can't see your home when it's convenient for them, they'll move on to the next one. I help my sellers set up a showing schedule that maximizes opportunity while still being convenient for you. Reason number 3, curb appeal. First impressions happen before a buyer even steps inside. Even small improvements like flowers, trimmed bushes, or a welcoming entryway can make a huge impact. I guide all my sellers on simple, cost-effective ways to make their home more inviting. If your home didn't sell, let's find out why and get it sold this time. I'd love to talk with you about how my marketing strategy and experience can help you get the results you deserve. Message me today and let's get your home sold. Like S-O-L-D, sold.